Imagine stepping onto a New York rooftop and finding not just a view, but a whole new way of living. The PEBL Grand Cabins by Hello Wood are unlike anything you've seen before: organic, futuristic, and sculptural. Born from years of experimentation and a vision to reimagine prefabricated design, these pebble-shaped cabins merge the creativity of architecture with the intimacy of personal experience. They're not just structures, they're moments of escape, crafted into physical form. The story of PBL began with Hello Wood's journey from creative camps in Hungary to becoming an internationally recognized design and build studio. Their first client for the concept once commissioned an airplane-shaped cabin for his daughter, a dream project that paved the way for PBL. Today, that dream has grown into a reality on the skyline of Brooklyn, where 5 PEBL Grand cabins rest above the city, offering performers and guests a serene refuge with sweeping views of Manhattan. Inside, the experience is as luxurious as it is compact. Each cabin is designed like a 5-star hotel suite, complete with a king-sized bed, a kitchen, dining area, and even a panoramic infrared sauna. Large glass surfaces connect the interior with its surroundings, whether that's a forest clearing or a skyline panorama. And with the ability to add multiple units, rotate them, or move them to new sites, PEBL becomes more than a cabin. It becomes a flexible ecosystem of living. What makes the PBL Grand truly extraordinary is its construction. Using a patented system, each cabin is built with a CLT wood core, wrapped in insulating and waterproof layers. The result is a low-poly, pebble-like form that feels as if it belongs to both nature and the city. Its exterior can be finished in wood, stone, aluminum, or even mirror, making it capable of blending into forests or standing out as a bold landmark in urban settings. The installation in Brooklyn is just the beginning. Prefabricated, flat-packed, and assembled in just a day, these cabins represent a future where architecture adapts quickly to our needs, whether for leisure, performance, or retreat. PBL Grand is proof that innovation, mobility, and beauty can coexist. From Budapest to New York, Hello Wood has crafted not just cabins, but a new chapter in how we imagine small-scale architecture in our everyday lives.